Hello everyone, I am Rohit from Code. In today's video lecture, we will discuss first arguments, second arguments in function, third built-in function. So now continue with our next topic, that is arguments. Now, as it is written, arguments are used for passing information inside a function. Next, arguments are written after function name within parentheses. Next, you can add as many as arguments you want, but remember to put comma between them. So here we comes to our next topic, arguments in function. So here def then add as a function name, and in parentheses we have a and b as an argument. Now we have statements after colon, and when we call a function then also we have to pass arguments. For better understanding of arguments, let's take it up to IDLE. So here in search bar write IDLE. Here you see IDLE and then press OK. Now go to file option, then new file. Here in new file write def, then add, and in parentheses or brackets write a comma b. After that write colon and then press enter. Now we will write c equals to a plus b. Here c stores a plus b value. Now press enter, then print this c. So write print and in bracket write c. After that press enter. Now to call this function we have to simply write add and then pass a and b both arguments. So here write function calling just intended to def keyword. So here write add and then pass 3 comma 5. You can here see it is intended to def keyword. And now go to run and here run module and then press OK. After that it shows source must be saved, OK to save, click on OK. So here provide a file name, so I will provide as arguments and then click on save. So here you can see it has been running successfully and it has been printed, and here in this case 3 and 5 are arguments and are passed in function which is named add. Now back to our slide. So here our next topic is built-in function. So here what are built-in functions? These are the functions which are provided to us by Python only, and this makes Python as an easy language. Now these built-in functions are already defined in Python libraries. To access this built-in function we have to call them when we want them. So now let's see some built-in functions. So first one is length. As we have seen this in our earlier videos, so what it does, it simply returns length of variable or string or list, etc. So here len is a function name and a within parenthesis is an argument. So yes, arguments are there in both built-in and user-defined functions. So our second function is print. We have used it many times in our practicals. It is used to print output on console, or it prints its argument or its value to console. So as we can see, print is function name and a is argument for it. So our last function in this video is range. It simply returns sequence of number. It can take up to 3 arguments. So as we can see, range is function name and a is arguments. There are many predefined functions in Python. So in this video we have seen only 3 functions, but don't worry, as we go in this series you will see more built-in function. So now let's take this up to IDLE. So again in search bar write IDLE. Here you see IDLE, click OK. Now we will go with our all 3 functions. So to go with length function, first we have to assign an value to an variable. So write a equals to, in double quotes write Rohit and then press enter. So yes, it is been executed. Now to print it, simply write a and then press enter. Yes, Rohit has been printed. Now to calculate its length, simply write len and in brackets or parenthesis write a and then press enter. Here you can see 5 is been printed, and if you count it, it is been 5 only. Now we will go with our print function. As we have seen earlier also, what does print do? It simply prints value on console. So write print and in bracket write a and then press enter. Here you can see Rohit has been printed. Now we will go with our last function, that is range. To go with range function, first open new file. So in file, go to new file is open. So here write x equals to range and in bracket write 10. And to run this we have to go with for loop, then press enter. After that write for I in x and then colon and then press enter. After that write print I. So here it will be printed. So go to run and then run module and then OK to save. After that provide a file name as range and then press on save. So yes, you can see range has been printed. Now as I have said, range has 3 arguments, so it is 1 only. We can go with 3 also. So first we will go with 2 arguments. So here write 1 comma 10. So what it will do, it will print starts from 1 and it will go till 9, because we know in for loop we does not take last value, it goes till n minus 1. So in run, go to run module and then press OK, and source must be OK to save. Click on OK. So here you can see it is when started from 1 and goes till 9. Now we have third argument also. So in range, inside bracket it is written 1 comma 10 and after that write comma 2. So what it will do, it will provide spaces of 2 and then print the value. So what it will do, first it will print 1 and then 3 and then 5, it will add 2 to its previous number. So run this. So go to run and then run module and then OK to save. So here you can see it has been printed exactly like that, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So now I hope you understand built-in functions and arguments in functions. I hope to see you in our next video. Till then, practice functions, arguments in function and try some built-in functions. Thank you.